Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Yandere Sisters Just Want Me to Coax Her. Chapter 29, so here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Kusing and Mengyan. Kusing said to Mengyan, "This mission must not fail. Take it out. It is pertaining to the fusion. I want to get it from her. But right now, Mengyan, sister, what are you looking for?" Right now, Mengyan seems to be look adorable. She really looks cute. Trying to coax Kusing at this moment. But right now, Kusing, of course, she won't back down and wants to get the potion. Give me less. It seems that she's getting impatient. But for Mengyan, she don't have any idea on what is Kusing looking for her. But suddenly, there's a commotion and it's been noisy in the place. Well, what's wrong? Suddenly, it got dark. People got noisy. Well, is there someone's happening? That's why the place is getting dark. The two of them are getting interrupted. Are you okay, sister? It seems that the part of us has started. What are you doing? Kusing is asking her. Well, probably put something on her drink. Probably the potion. It turns out it was Muyang right now. She is speaking. Thank you for coming to attend my birthday party. Well, it seems to be she was furious. After realizing what she needs to do, Muyang, right now, she looks really different. She has a lot of confidence on herself right now. Maybe she really wants to stand on her own. Don't want to live like a life of a puppet. Everyone here is close friends of Mu family or an important friend in my life. Now, Mayang is speaking to everyone. Looking at these two, Kusing and Mengyan. Kusing said to Mengyan, "What about you? Have you off your hands?" Right now, Mengyan doing silly to Kusing. At this moment, looking at her because she knows what will happen to Kusing at any time. She really want to coax her. Didn't take anything. If sister doesn't believe me, why don't you look it for me? Well, it really is. Now, Kusing is being impatient and said to Mengyan, "You silly girl." Well, looking at her face, she seems to be a little angry. There are 18 seconds before the mission's countdown ends. Right now, she need to find that potion. Of course, she might be punished again by the system. She didn't take that potion. Swoosh. Right now, she put Mengyan onto the table. It's going to search her body. Well, looking at Mengyan, she really looks uncomfortable. Especially Kusing. Hands is really spreading. It makes Mengyan to shake her body. Although right now, a little bit surprised by the sudden action of Kusing. Of course, this girl, right now, she really can bear it and said, "Elder sister," Mingyan said to her, "Cover your mouth tightly." Now, the two of them are doing silly things since place is dark. This guy, how can she hide this in just a skirt like this? Oh, she really searching it. Mengyan, she was really good at hiding it. The dust countdown is 10 seconds. Ah, could it really be an hidden inside? Oh, this girl. She really want to press stiffly. But looking at Mengyan, she looks really uncomfortable. Mengyan said to her, well, looking at her, she seems to be teary. Of course, maybe she really feels uncomfortable. A sudden search by Kusing. Later, Mengyan said to her, "Really, I do not have it." Well, at this moment, Kusing, she never stopped finding it. At this moment, Kusing said to her, "This little silly, she really hid it deeper from her. That's why she's having difficulty to find it." Well, what will Kusing's gonna do? Pressing harder, Kusing, she really want to search it. But Mengyan right now, she really feels uncomfortable. Especially Kusing, she really take it deeper. Finally, Kusings really find it. After that, looking at Mengyan, she really lost her strength. This should be it, Kusing said to herself. But the time count in. Right now, this is just some powdered sugar. I think the wine is too bitter. Right now, the countdown is 3. Well, it turns out he really needs to do the things. Because the countdown, it will turn to 0 at this moment. Kusing said to Mengyan, she do not care about it. Well, did she really want to destroy that? Right now, congratulations on completing the mission's assist, describing medicines, and the flat has successfully entered a new process. Well, this is a good sign. Please now, Kusing. She will not get punished by the system. Congratulations on receiving the mission reward package. Congratulations on winning the lucky draw props. Congratulations on unlocking the achievement. This plot is so bloody. Well, this is it. Finally, she really unlocked everything. Really bloody, Kusing said to herself. She drew a cup of a vial. Now, is she really going to drink that? Well, it could be. Sister, give this to me. I don't want my sister. Well, at this moment, Mengyan, she's getting crazy about it. Well, did she really want to coax her? Right now, she's backing down. It turns out suddenly, the lights back on again. Well, what do you think who it is? Is this another flat activated? Well, looking at it, the two of them seems to be surprised. They're asking themselves what's wrong. Probably, the lights is really turned on. Everyone was looking at them. Suddenly, there's someone's walking through. It seems that this girl. Well, why suddenly she show herself? She really want to find these two girls. Well, I sensed something wrong. I heard someone brought dirty things to my property. Is that the eldest lady? Now, the visitors getting hand in hand, seeing Muyang's fiancé at this moment. Well, whisper, I heard that she is the fiancé of young master of the Mu family. Kusing said to her, are you making trouble? Well, finally, this is probably the deliberately attempt to cause trouble. I've been waiting for this show for a long time. Oh, this girl. She was really looking mischievous. She really want to get the two girls. Meng behind knows what I mean. Right now, hand it over. Well, what is the thing that she really wants from them? She want the potion. Well, let's see then. How can she knows this plot? This is really getting tricky. So, we can find a better chapter next time. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!